This video is essential for all NDA aspirants because today we will see how you can crack the NDA exam in the first attempt with the proper guidance and strategy. Around 4.5 lakh aspirants appear for this exam, of which only 6,000 students are shortlisted for SSB or Services Selection Board. From this, it is quite evident that the probability of clearing this exam is significantly less. Before appearing in any exam, we should know the syllabus and the structure of the exam. In the written exam, the aspirant has to give two papers. Paper 1, Maths, and Paper 2, General Ability Test or GAT. The duration is 2.5 hours, that is 150 minutes for each paper. In Paper 1, there are 120 math questions. For every correct answer, you are rewarded 2.5 marks, and for every wrong answer 0.83 marks are deducted. In Paper 2, that is, General Ability Test, there are two sections, English and General Knowledge. It contains a total of 150 questions, out of which 50 questions are from the English section, and 100 questions are from the GK section. For every correct answer, you will get 4 marks, and for every wrong answer there is a negative marking of 1.33 marks. There is a sectional cutoff of 25% of total marks in both papers, which varies accordingly. Let's go ahead and see the chapter-wise analysis in both the papers. There are a total of 120 questions in the math paper, of which 27 questions are from algebra, 22 from trigonometry, 15 from 2D 3D geometry, 12 questions from differential calculus, 12 from integral calculus and differential equations, 10 questions from matrix and determinants, 7 questions from vector algebra and 15 questions from statistics and probability. It can be seen from the chart that trigonometry and algebra has 40% weightage, 2D and 3D geometry, stats and probability has 25% weightage, and questions of all the remaining chapters together contribute around 35% of the total questions. So you must have a good command over these important chapters. Knowing the important chapters is not enough. Instead, one should focus on the right approach for the math paper. First of all, you have to clear the fundamentals of each chapter. After all the formulas, tricks and basics are clear, you should move on to the exercise. Practice exercises should be divided into easy, medium, and challenging levels to gain confidence step by step. Apart from this, you should also ensure that the books and the material you are using should have complete solutions and that you are not left with just hints of the solution. Here, I would like to mention about upcoming crash course of Abhigyan Academy for NDA 2, 2023, starting from 1st April, which is designed in a way keeping in mind the needs of the aspirants. One-on-one mentorship, doubt-clearing sessions, sectional and weekly mock tests, daily meditation sessions. With our guidance you can attempt 70+ questions and score 180+ marks. Now let's talk about Paper 2, that is GAT or General Ability Test. Usually, it is seen that aspirants refer to 6 to 7 different sources for subjects like geography, polity, history, biology, and others, which is not the right approach. It is important to know that you don't have to do a PhD in these subjects. Your preparation should be exam-centric and result-oriented. For example, if you are studying the Indus Valley civilization, you don't have to know everything about the topic. Instead, one should focus on details like these which you can easily memorize and recall when needed. If you have such detailed notes, then you are on the right track. You can use the same approach in all the other subjects, and this is where the role of an institute like Abhigyan Academy will come into play for the right mentorship and guidance. NDA preparation through structured content, study material and mock test series will help you clear this exam. Current affairs also plays a very important part, and students spend too much time on consuming irrelevant content. For current affairs, we at Abhigyan Academy provide monthly capsules and weekly tests along with PDFs for 35 questions in English and around 40 questions in GK. You will easily score 300 marks in paper 2. Another problem aspirants face in paper 2 is how to do the guesswork and use elimination tricks. Failure in this decreases your score considerably. In our coaching program, we also teach our students how to effectively use these techniques for your advantage and become more confident. If you prepare yourself in this way, it will help you to clear NDA written exam in your very first attempt. If you have any doubts, feel free to ask us. You can also call on the number given below, that is 9540504779. To get yourself enrolled, you can visit our institute which is in Guwahati. We will help you achieve your dream job of wearing that uniform and serving the nation. Jai Hind.
इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू कैसे